Hey there, my name is Chris, and for the Unicode 2021 hackathon, I put together an app called Uniramp. Now, for new users that are just approaching Uniswap for the first time, it might be a bit intimidating. There's a lot of new concepts to learn. Some folks might be interested in doing more swaps or exchanging tokens, but not know where to begin. So this Uniswap Explorer does exist and gives you all the information you need, but how can we get additional users or help folks onboard into this ecosystem more effectively? So with that, I created an app called Uniramp, which allows users to log in with their Web3 accounts, find, share, and discover liquidity pools, and learn about Uniswap and how to do engage with hypervisors and implement their own strategies going forward. So how does this work? First, I can connect to Uniramp with any ERC20 supported wallet, such as MetaMask, and I'm taken to the home page, where I can either discover pools for a given token or trading pair, swap tokens, learn about core concepts, or even do some visualizations around understanding risk when acting as a liquidity provider. Let me start with the Learn tab. So this actually gives the user a primer to core concepts, as well as links out to different material already existing on the web to better understand each core concept to use Uniswap effectively. The swap feature works very similar to what's already existing on the Uniswap website, but gives them a simpler interface to be able to directly connect to that. So if I had a given pair, I can go ahead and connect directly to the Uniswap website and initiate that swap right here. Additionally, I can discover pools, and this is where the meat of the application is. For example, if I wanted to find what are sort of the whitelisted pools around wrapped ether, I can go ahead and select that, and this is actually tying in directly into the Uniswap Graph API to pull down the highest transaction pools that are whitelisted and give users a window into finding which pools might be the most effective for them to do a given trade. For example, if I click this one, I'm taken directly to that more advanced view that Uniswap provides around that pool and some of the activity that's going on. If I wanted to search hypervisors for any pair or any pool, I can click this button and immediately pull down any sort of matching hypervisors for that given pair and be able to engage with that particular strategy that already exists. If I wanted to understand the risk I'm taking on, there's a concept called impermanent loss. And I wanted to leverage Visor Finance to show what happens for a given token pair relative to DAI if there was a change that happened as you were acting or when you were acting as a liquidity provider. So in this case, we just do a simulation. So if wrapped ether changed by 100%, which is not unheard of in a given scenario, what is the impermanent loss a given user would undertake because of that transaction? As for the code, all of it is available on my GitHub. There's some screenshots and a link to the deployed application on CSky. I encourage you to check it out, but that's pretty much the Uniramp project, and thanks for your time.